My good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cuckoo wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country. So we be Nigeria, and as we dey normally do, we don't come back with breaking news. We don't come back with updates. We don't come back with fresh reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the former governor of Anambra State may still be the presidential candidate of the Labour Party for the 2023 general election, and this man Mr. Peter Obi no say he now don't come outside dey condemn the alleged fraudulent insertions in Nigeria's 2025 national budget, and he now dey describe the development as proof say this our green white green country so we be Nigeria, men just dey do things for inside, men just dey run things for inside like say na crime scene na e be. And no be lie, my good people, you know say the reactions of Mr. Peter Obi, this talk wey him talk so e dey happen after reports drop by civic tech organization wey be Budget Nigeria, and this report so dey review, this report so dey let men dey know say more than 11,000 questionable projects wey dey last amount to 6.93 trillion naira have been inserted into we nation Nigeria 2025 budget by the members of the National Assembly. That is to say, after our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don arrange budget finish, members of the National Assembly, that is men from the House of Representatives and men from the Nigerian Senate, together they can organize questionable project wey pass 11,000. That is, if men dey go through this project, them they go dey ask question, say wetin this one dey for, wetin this one dey for. Now those kind of projects now the National Assembly then chalk into the national budget of we nation Nigeria for this year 2025, and this project so we then chalk in it dey amount to 6.93 trillion naira. Now this civic tech organization will be Budget Nigeria will drop this interesting report. Them now they describe the development as part of a deeply entrenched culture of exploitation and abuse. Them now they yarn say all these levels now is very much spearheaded by the leadership of the legislature. And this legislature women they talk about, so this National Assembly women they talk for their report, the Senate President Godswill Akpabio and the Speaker of the House of Representatives, they go by the name Tajuddin Abbas. Both of these two mature men now they for the ruling party of the All Progressive Congress, and at them they currently they lead the two chambers of the National Assembly. Now for one statement wey they issued on Tuesday, maybe the 20th day of May for this year, so maybe 2025, Mr. Peter Obi will be the former governor of Anambra State, may still be the presidential candidate of the Labour Party for the 2023 general elections. Even I don't come outside the year normally, don't say when you see this kind of things, go talk am. Many people they criticize am for am, saying to talk, while many they support. If now see observe the report, come outside, can't do the needful, to come talk in point of view, to come talk in mind, to come drop his opinion. I now the yarn. Say this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. It dey remain a relentless scene of corruption. And him constantly, him times without number, him don yarn am, him don maintain am. Say for this our nation Nigeria to move forward, for this our nation Nigeria to make genuine progress, we nation Nigeria must first cease to function as a crime scene. They must stop to dey operate as a crime scene, and we nation Nigeria must reposition for genuine development. Mr. Peter Obi constantly yarn say this corruption wey men dey observe for inside we nation Nigeria, the thing dey very much persistent and it dey deeply rooted. The thing now e don dey go a long way, no be today wey e start. So if men want to get a meaningful turnaround, if men want to make genuine progress for inside we nation Nigeria, men must remove the corruption from the root. No be say you go just cut one or two branch thinking say everywhere don steal, everywhere don good. No, the corruption will continue to dey grow. And e now constantly yarn dey give the general public. Say this report so where civic tech Budget Nigeria just drop so, wey be say they let the general public they know say 7 trillion naira has been uncovered in suspicious allocations. This amount of money, this 7 trillion naira wey dem drop for the report, that they likely represent only a fraction of the actual amount wey they misappropriated. That is to say, the report now no fit talk the exact amount we don loss, wey men don misuse, but them now go just give you approximation. Say the thing fit be like this, so but that no be the actual amount. If it dey higher than 7 trillion naira, according to Mr. Peter Obi. These findings are deeply troubling and e dey confirm im long-held position. Dis report so dis news wey just drop so e dey confirm am say yes, the thing wey don dey talk before na legit. Men now don turn we nation Nigeria into a crime scene. So we must urgently and aggressively combat corruption. We must combat misappropriation. We must combat fiscal recklessness in order to manage our resources effectively and efficiently. And we must also invest in critical areas of development such as health, such as education, and lifting our people out of poverty. If na last come dey attribute the educational crisis of we green country Nigeria plus the poor healthcare system and the widespread hunger and weak agricultural investment to the unchecked corruption by political leaders. That is the reason why many men for inside we nation Nigeria dey very much poor, even as our nation Nigeria is very much blessed. The reason why many out of school children plenty pass children wey dey for school. The reason why things dey go wrong for inside we nation Nigeria na sake of the political leaders wey don dey corrupt. And this impunity by our leaders na why the country cannot invest adequately in education. And currently we nation Nigeria don get nearly 20 million out of school children. And if now dey draw ear dey sama warning say the same fiscal irresponsibility na dey hamper Nigeria's ability to fund MSMEs dem. Na the same fiscal responsibility na dey make we nation Nigeria no fit improve food security. Na dey make our nation Nigeria no fit tackle insecurity. And all these glaring acts of corruption dey reinforce his position. All the Jagaban activities wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria, all the things wey the leaders dey do wey no nice, so that na why im dey get boldness. That na wetin dey give am evidence now to come outside come dey talk. Dey come outside come dey tell the general public say things don woski o. We nation Nigeria don dey reduced to a crime scene. And men must look alive. Men must confront this corruption to secure a better future for our people, to secure a better future for the children unborn. Dis my good people na the remarks, dis na the statement of Mr. Peter Obi. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be like say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if this update sweet your ear and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Me now they go get more news, me they go gather more intel, me they go get more reports for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.